What's going on, beautiful subscribers? It's a cold, snowy February 17th here in southeastern Pennsylvania, but we're still going to be doing my two favorite things, picking fruit and giving it away. Alright, so half of my Meyer lemons are ready to be harvested, and I like to wait until most of the green is out of the bottom and they start to get a glossy coating to them. Another easy way to tell if they are ready to be picked is by lightly picking up on them, turning them upside down, and if they come off, then they're ready. See, this one wasn't ready to come off, but maybe that one was. There are three main types of lemons: the Lisbon, the Eureka, and the Meyer. And if you go to the grocery store, they won't differentiate between the three, so you won't know which one you're getting. The Meyer lemon is the sweetest of the three. I mean, it's still sour, it's a lemon, but there's still a lot of sugar in there. Alright, so I'm gonna keep picking a couple more, and then we are going to drop them off on the other side of the farm at my friend Rich's house, and we're going to introduce you to him and see what he's up to today. Alright, I just wanted to say a few more things about the Meyer lemon before we head down to Rich's house. The Meyer lemon is sweeter than most other lemons because it's not a true lemon. It is a cross between a citron and a mandarin pomelo hybrid. It is native to China, but you can still pick them up at all your local nurseries in the springtime. I highly recommend this bush because it is so low maintenance. There is zero spraying at all. All you need to do is water and fertilize it and bring it inside and outside in the wintertime, because you can't grow it north of zone 9 unless you have it in a pot. So let's see what Rich thinks. We'll head down to his house and drop these off. Alright, we made it to Rich's house, but I don't think he's home. I only see his wife Anastasia's car here, but she loves fruit as much as he does, so the ducks are going crazy. Hey Anastasia.
What's up?
First fruit of the season. Meyer lemons.
Where did these come from?
I have them growing in my house in a pot.
Oh, I'm so jealous.
That's about a quarter of them that are on the tree.
Yum. We have to figure out what to do with them.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to do with that many lemons.
I'm going to put her
Hey,
down.
Mossy.
She's going to try and run away.
Everybody, this is Mossy.
She loves Clayton. All right.
All right, enjoy.
Thank you.
Tell Rich to call me when he gets home.